Hello all, Leanne Melissa Bishop here. Get ready for some exciting new tips today. Today I'm going to show you how to make vegan gluten-free pumpkin squares. They are amazing, let me tell you that. For one thing, they're vegan, they're gluten-free, and they're also free of a lot of the common allergens. They're definitely peanut-free. They're very delicious. Most people with allergies are going to be able to eat these and enjoy. A couple of the things that you might not know about pumpkins as well as a bonus is that they're very good for your eyes, and rumor has it they also help you sleep. So, lots of reasons to enjoy this treat. Have fun! Grease the pan lightly with coconut oil. Then line it with parchment paper going both directions. Then in a bowl, I mixed gluten-free graham cracker crumbs, melted coconut oil, and a little maple syrup. I poured the mixture into the prepared pan, and I smoothed it out evenly using my fingers and just pressed gently. Next, add the arrowroot powder and maple syrup in a small bowl and whisk. Then add the remaining ingredients in this mixture and whisk until smooth. And the final stage, it's going in that oven. And to finish it off, I made whipped cream from coconut milk. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone!